Yeah, all right, baby, guys. I greet you all my people. I greet you all. Today we are going to talk about what is going on in Nigeria here, because I want you people to try go to my channel. You will hear about what is going on. Don't ignore. Don't ignore it. It's very important. Some of us we see many things that are going on, and some didn't know anything about what is going on. And this is time to notice what is going on in Nigeria and to be wise. I'm talking to Nigeria youth. Time don reach now. What do I say? Time don reach. If una no wake up now, na gbongon. Wetin I tell you na gbongon. Because if you look these people well well, these people wey dem call theirself leader, dem no go school. Dem no go school. Person wey go for wey go read from primary school now, wey be say even gan all him life gan he no even know wetin dem dey teach him for school, but since you don plan say you wan become politician, you go become somebody. That is Nigeria. And why we no dey think be say people wey dem don dey rule us for many years na him una still dey vote for today. If you see this one, you say PDP na APC, na PDP na APC. The worst part be say if dem come out now, just wave their hand like this, you go see many Nigerians come out. Hey, what is hey? These people are criminals. After everything, they will kill you. You will not see them again. They don't know, maybe you are hungry. That is what you are facing today now. Okay, now we have made in Nigerian mask. Everywhere now, they don't bring any mask from any other country because there's too much fake. Now, all the countries now, if you are watching, if you know more about what is going on in the world now, you will see everybody, they make their mask in their country with clothes, real clothes. They will make everything, put it. But because of say these people don't know, they don't go school, they don't know anything. They just look and say, this thing now from China, if you get chemical, na correct one be this one. Hey, this one wey these people dey do. That na why we no grow, we no go up, because we no dey appreciate wetin our people don do. Now you go give China now come bring like 1 million mask for you now. Na we go give people. Now after dem put am now, you go talk say dem get corona. Abi? Wetin I dey talk be say if this thing wan happen now, as dem don bring the mask now, please tell dem make dem carry am go Katsina from Buhari o, make dem go dey share am there. Carry many go Borno, Maduguri, all these kind of people, because I believe say una wan make dem die before already. So if dem kukuma die now, na go dey less, na no go plenty as because na una plan be that. That na why una leave Boko Haram make dem dey kill these people away, so that una go fit short the reaction, the money go fit reach una hand well well, una go collect better money. Abi no be so? God punish una. Una no get sense at all. No sense. I see one guy now for this thing, they say he build a ventilator. Some engineers, they say they will produce a ventilator between a week. All this kind of thing. Una go try them first, bring them come near to you, talk to them, make them share their experience, look at what they are doing, give them something, let them start something. But na wan bring come from abroad because na never see white before. Na Hausa people na im worst pass because dem never see Hausa white. They don know say this one na white people now. E don build this thing, e wan bring something. White, this thing good for because na no get sense, na no go school. Person wey go read law, wey dem go put am for minister of agriculture. Person wey be say na agriculture, dem put am for inside power, minister of power. No sense, no anything. Now I no dey talk about una again now because I know say una no get sense, nothing una know, nothing. But I dey talk about Nigerians now. Make una dey use una made in Nigeria face mask. Nothing dey there, na just for protection. If someone sneeze now or anything now, you will be able to, it will not go far to another person's this thing. So you just protect it. All this one they are bringing is chemical. They really plan for Nigeria to kill them. That's why they bring all this kind of thing because they don't get sense. Even in other countries, they appreciate their made with, they made it with clothes. Now everybody is using it. Even ministers, they are using it. Protect themselves in other countries because they don't believe in China. Why in our life got everything gone and like China? And I want turn the country, and I want make it okay, China, make we come buy am come because e no dey useful for us already. So why we no fit sell am? Make we sell everything. Make we sell am. Now after now they go come again. They go say they want we are going to bring light. We are going to bring this thing. I don't know, maybe na juju dem dey use for una. Now everybody go come out now. Na PDP I go vote for. Na APC I go vote. Na no see any young people there. Young people wey dem go school, wey dem know many things. Many people dey Nigeria wey dem know many things. Many things. But dem no go allow dem to come. If na ordinary senator or minister, dem no go allow dem to come because if dem know say if dem don dey develop small for minister to this thing, dem go collect power from dem. Now all their secret go leak out. Shey una wan die for inside hunger abi wetin I go talk now? Una no dey think o. This is time for us now to think o. Time don dey go. These people go finish una life o. These people go finish una life o. You see Lai Mohammed now, I dey look that man. I know say that man no. Shebi na him talk say he don spend 100 billion for they don disburse 100 billion say Nigeria no dey hungry again, say nothing do them, say they are all fine. Na lie. Na inside life dem born you, then you still dey for inside the lie. You still dey lie also every time. You no even use that your name say as dem call me Lai Mohammed, make I no dey talk too much o. These people you see you make dem know say na lie be your real name. This thing wey una dey do no good o. Okay, now everybody get malaria now, e get fever now, na go use their this thing go test dem, na go talk say na corona if una see fever na see corona na fit wait. Shey na the one wey una dey share food, dem say you wan share food for this thing, na no get sense. Na no go school. You no even look like say person wey go school wey know anything. You need social distance, you need all this kind of thing, and if you wan share food now, you go just call people, make una dey come. Why una no fit distribute house by house, household by anything wey una wan do, na to just open am so that una go fit camera para so una go just post am, tell dem say we have already give 100 million youth, so una go see the repercussion very soon. If una wife for house no dey tell una say this thing wey una dey do no good, una go see am very soon. Shey una dey hear me? Na so e go be. So many things dey wey dey happen wey una no dey see. Dat na why I want you to try dey go through my channel. Una go dey see some things wey be say e dey very important, wey be say una go know say this life na inside darkness we dey. Una no see make una no allow these people, dem don dey rule since now. All of them now, many people no get certificate. Dem go dey forge certificate, after everything dem go become this thing, after everything una no go see them again. Una go still dey shout say na PDP, na APC. Why una no go carry another person? If na GPD abi na CTD or na anything, make una carry am. If na youth, carry am. Leave these people alone, dem no get sense. Now all these doctors, nurse, everything dey shout say we no need China o, make dem come here o. After everything dem still bring am come. Dem still bring am come. Now only God will save us now for here now, because we never see corona before. You see wetin Baba Obasanjo talk? He say no, all these people no be corona. He say na malaria. He know true say na malaria, no be corona. If na hear corona, una go fit even go social distance. When una say make dem, na una sef go, una go dey remember people say abeg I need social distance o, I need social. You know say e don set be that. No be corona. Only God now will guide us. These people no know anything. What I will advise you now, what I need from you now, why I make this video, is that please everyone, go and use your made in Nigeria face mask. It's same thing. This one is not having problem with the one that one they bring. Tell them they should keep it. They should distribute it to all these they plenty for Senate, House of Rep, House of Rock, Borno, Maduguri, Kaduna, all these kind of places. Make them give them, make them they use them, no problem. They are a good citizen of Nigeria. Make them they use them. So I pray everybody, may God will protect us. We will not have a problem. Problem of corona will not be our portion. Everything will be going smooth. I believe very soon in Jesus' name. I believe everything will be okay and we will be fine. Thank you all. I greet